Hi, it's Kris Crocker in the 4 News Now First Alert Weather Center. I have a lot of weather to cover, so I'm going to spend a little more time on this weather briefing. And we're going to start off a weather alert day for Tuesday because of the snow and the timing of the snow. Snow coming in the early morning hours, impacting the morning commute on Tuesday. And I know with the kids out of school that will take some of the traffic off the roads, but there's also a lot of holiday errands and people traveling around the region, which I would not advise tomorrow. And so I have it as a weather alert day. The mountain passes are going to be especially hard hit with heavy snow, with winter storm warnings in effect over the Cascade passes and over the 4th of July and Lookout Pass heading east. But we're also getting some pretty good snow around the metro area, so just getting to the grocery store, getting here and there is going to be a challenge as well on Tuesday. Here's a look at some of the snowfall totals, and you'll notice central Washington is not getting much at all. Very little snow for Moses Lake, Ritzville, in the Tri-Cities, Lewiston 2 to 3, but then as we get into the Palouse, St. Mary's, Lookout Pass, we see some higher totals all the way through North Idaho, some higher totals, but then the Cascades, we're going to see some very impressive snow there. So I would hold off on your travel until Wednesday if possible. And if you do travel, make sure you have a winter weather emergency kit with you. If you are in a situation where your car is disabled, it is going to be very, very cold, and if you have to wait, you want to be prepared with blankets and hand warmers and snacks and what you need to keep warm. Batteries too. Here's a look at our forecast radar starting off Monday night, and that snow coming in around midnight to the Palouse, the central panhandle, just flirting with the Spokane and Coeur area. That will continue through tomorrow morning. Light snow. Here's 7 a.m. Seeing the heavier snow along the east slopes of the Cascades. And then we'll see more snow throughout the afternoon. Spokane is kind of right on the border between the heavier snow and that very light snow. So if it's gonna be on the low side of things, it will be West Spokane and points to the west. From Spokane Valley through Coeur d'Alene, a better chance to see some of those heavier totals. Here's 6 o'clock Tuesday night with that snow through the LC Valley up through the central panhandle. Hit and miss snow showers will continue south of Spokane right on through Wednesday morning, but we will be pretty much done around the metro area by Tuesday night. Winter weather advisory for the areas shaded in purple on your screen through Wednesday morning. It's a winter storm warning for the Palouse, the central panhandle, the Lookout Pass, western Montana. There's also winter storm warnings in effect for the Cascade passes. Tuesday, chance of snow throughout the day. We will bottom out Tuesday morning in the single digits. Forecast calling for 3 for a morning low in Spokane. Our high 14. You haven't seen anything yet. We have another weather alert day coming, and that is the potential for some dangerous weather. Widespread sub-zero cold Wednesday night and Thursday night, but there are also wind chill readings to deal with that will be in the 30 below range, and that is for the Spokane and Coeur d'Alene metro area, but really the entire region. In fact, here's a look at the wind chill watch Tuesday night through Thursday night, and the area shaded in lighter green is a wind chill advisory, but wind chill watch in effect for that area shaded in the darker green. And here's a look at your planning forecast. Winter officially starts tomorrow. It will feel wintry, that is for certain. 14 for a high. We go to -3 Wednesday morning, a high of 4, but good news is that we will not have an occasional snow flurry possible. Thursday, a high of 0, a morning low of 15 below, and again, wind chill, and it's not going to be especially windy, but we are going to be experiencing gusts of up to 20 miles per hour, and it doesn't take much of a breeze to just cut right through you. Possibly some snow on on Friday. Christmas Eve, a chance of snow, a high of 25. And then we start transitioning to a warmer pattern. And anytime you have Arctic air and then you get some warmer air overriding it, we start looking at the possibility of some freezing rains, freezing drizzle. So we're going to be monitoring that transition very, very carefully in terms of traveling on Monday or on Christmas Day itself. Too early to tell, but be flexible with your holiday travel plans this week because we've got a lot of weather to come through. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you, and please keep in touch if you are traveling either on the 4 News Now First Alert weather app or watch us on TV. Mark Peterson will be here bright and early Tuesday morning with updates. This is an evolving weather situation, and you'll want to stay tuned if you're going to be on the road, and don't forget that winter weather emergency kit. That could save your life if you end up in a situation on the side of the road or with a disabled vehicle. Thank you.